this is gonna be an aquarium. Brings you out to the garden. Why do you need a restaurant in your house? Whole piece of marble.
Book match pattern. You can see the patterns like book match.
Rooftop garden and as well as a pool. A view of the nice bridge. So pretty. God, look at this. This is a dream closet. Holy crap. I want a closet like this. Time to make some more money so that I can afford this dream closet. So on the other side is the exact same closet. Almost 4-meter tall ceiling. Wow, that view. This bath, jacuzzi bath. This is another dining room and kitchen in here. Actually, there's still a few buildings in this area that's also owned by this same owner. But this is the main building. Wow, really nice bathroom. Same separate shower and toilet and jacuzzi, bathtub, 2 sinks. Oh my god, I think like what I love the most about this place is the staircase. So nice, so grand. This is the public gym room. I love this one. This one is huge. It's got all the mirrors. Can't wait to see when it's fully done. Another guest bedroom. I guess it's the same concept. Another toilet. The theme of this floor, these marbles. What do you think? Dining area. Oh, leather. Guess what? Another guest room. Suede. seems to be the recurring theme of the house. Guess it's really good feng shui to have water in your house. And guess what? 4 guest rooms is remaining. Surprise, surprise. Oh my god, the glass broke. But yeah, more or less all the guest rooms are similar, so we won't show all of them. Wardrobe, bathroom. This is going to be the main theater. Someone's sleeping here. Oh wow, wine cellar. The owner loves to drink, so this is an important part of his collection, where he's gonna store all his expensive wines. It's a bit dark in here, but apparently you can store 100 boxes of Coke in here and it'll be fine. Wow, look at this bar. It's the longest ever I've seen. There's gonna be 4 bartenders here because it's so long. More places to put alcohol. It looks very British. Yeah. More drinking area. Wow, disco stage area. Oh wow, for people to come and perform. Whoa, this is the karaoke room. With the karaoke machine at the back. Whoa, the water tanks. Let's see the 2 trees that cost $1 million. This one and his twin together cost 1 million RMB.